strength of the unit, but we needed to get Wasseranlage neu, oder? Ja. So the first layer is directly on the corner, left. And layer 2 and 3 is only to have enough material for grinding to get a good